Hello and welcome to Gaslands TV. Today we got another exciting race and it's between two brothers. We got Richard Hubbard with his pet panda in the back there and Billy Hubbard in this flame-throwing car. Before the race, let's take a look at the track. The drivers will have to come down this steep suicide slope into this straightaway that launches them into the first curve around the Gaslands TV camera over here and into gate number 1. Now for those of you who are new to the races, each gate a driver passes will give him a gate point. There's 4 in total, including the finish line. Then they'll come around here, around the Gaslands TV silos, into the construction site. Here our helicopter came down and crashed the road a little bit last season, so we didn't have time to fix it. The show must go on and we still must race. So if they pass that construction site, they'll come around the curve here. This is where we have the BFG bus and Ember, the flame-throwing monster truck. Past gate number 3 here into another steep slope down into curve number 4 around here into the canyon. And over here it is a little bit tricky and dangerous. There's another slope down here into 2 lanes and to the finish line where our Gaslands TV crew is waiting. And we've added this jump here this year, which makes for great finishes. And if the cars are lucky enough to take a jump and not land into these drills over here but into the pipe, they win a ticket to Mars. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. They can give those tickets away to family and friends or use them for themselves and finally get off this hellhole. Let's take a look at the drivers, shall we? We got King Raccoon from USA. He's driving the trash panda. He's got his pet raccoon in the back there. He likes stealing trash cans and board games, but he dislikes old ladies with brooms. And he's sponsored by the Spot Gaming Store. Versus Fireball from USA. His car is called the Speed Burner. He loves flamethrowers and he dislikes water. Who dislikes water in this wasteland? They're sponsored by Neon Knights board game. Alright guys, they are getting ready to go into the elevator up the suicide where they're gonna do their first race. Place your bets guys, is it gonna be Raccoon or Fireball? Here we go. They are side by side through gate number 1. Over the construction site, no problem. Gate number 3 is passed. Into the finish line, they both go. The panda takes it. Oh, little explosion there. Panda takes the win. Round number 2, they are off. We got Fireball in the front. Panda is pushing in the back, really wants to overtake him. Tries on the outside, but fails. And Fireball goes down, tumbling through the finish line. What happened to Panda? Let's take a look here. He's trying to overtake through the outside, but he just doesn't have enough power to go up the ramp and lands on his side. He's a top-heavy car. Yeah, there he is. Is Ember going to advance to burn him up? And oh no, he shoots him instead with the cannon on his roof. Let's do round number 3 here, and they're off. Panda this time takes the lead. Something happened to Fireball. Panda's a little scared there off the construction site, but he made it through. Panda takes the win for this round. What happened to Fireball? Will the spectator shoot him? No! Fireball takes action first and turns on his flamethrower. The crowd is loving it. Let's go for round number 4 here. Panda in the lead. Fireball right behind him. Oh, Panda had a hard time there. Flipped on his side. Fireball stuck behind him, but he's revving his engine and he's pushing. Fireball really wants that finish line. Did he give Panda a point? Did Panda touch the finish line there? You hear Flame? No, he did not. You hear Fireball trying to still drive over the medium into the finish line, but he's just, it's not working. Car's not moving. Let's do another round here of racing. And they're off. Fireball in the front. Turns on his flamethrower. Blinds Panda. And Panda's hanging in there. Still going strong, but oh, he lost his roof. And the raccoon, is the raccoon okay? Well, yeah, we have word that the raccoon went flying off of the back of the truck and hit the car there. Is he okay? He's okay. He's standing. He's there. All right, he's gonna be watching the race from gate number 2 here from now on. All right, let's do one last race here. Fireball takes the lead at gate number 1. They pass the construction site. Gate number 3 is passed, and they both finish getting the points, but Fireball takes the win there. Now let's go for some time trials. Let's see who's faster when they're alone on the track. Fireball's gonna go first. He is pretty fast down this first run. Oh my god, he went over the pipe. He went over the pipe. Maybe we should put a second pipe there, just in case. And if you go to the second pipe, you get 2 tickets to Mars. How about that? I think that's what we're gonna do from now on, guys. Let's put a second pipe there. Oh, and he almost makes it into the second pipe, the upper pipe, which gives you 2 tickets to Mars. He almost did it. Well, you know what? We're gonna give him 1 ticket just for, first of all, giving us that idea, and second of all, for ending in this beautiful explosion. But I think he's done for the day. We're gonna go to Panda now. He's gonna do his first time trial here. He's doing pretty well so far. Will you reach the finish line? Oh, he tumbles down. He hits the finish line, which gives him a time of only 6.93. He is a slow one, but let's see if he does better this time around. He's hitting all the sides of the track here. Oh, but he wins a ticket. He goes through the first bottom pipe here, winning him a ticket to Mars. The time isn't great, but he doesn't care. He can go to Mars if he wants to. Congrats on that. He's gonna do another run here, trying to beat that really poor time. Hopefully something under 6. Oh, he almost got the pipe. Your entire car has to be in the pipe, but he does not make it, so he's calling it quits. Let's take a look at some stats here. We got Raccoon weighing at 44 grams. His best time is 6:43. He's got 33 gate points. He won 2 of the races and a ticket to Mars. Congrats to the king. Next we got Fireball. He weighs 51 grams. His best time was 6.26. He's got 28 gate points. He won 3 of the races, and we gave him a ticket to Mars for inventing or giving us the idea of that upper pipe. Now all the cars were sent in by our Gaslands TV fans. Thank you very much for sending those in. You want to send in your cars, let us know. Comment in the comments or go to our Facebook page. There's more races coming soon, so subscribe. If you're looking for stuff to play the Gaslands miniature game, we got it on our Etsy page. We got templates, we've got gates, we've got engines with skulls on them, guns, rams, anything you want to add to your car, we have it, and it supports the channel. It also comes with these really cool containers that you can use as terrain or to, you know, transport your car. And we got these flame effects. And go to our Gaslands TV Facebook group for monthly prizes and other goodies. So make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you can to help out the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much for that support. Hope you decide to send in a car. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.